Hey, it's Dale from quiltingcowboy.com, and I have a question for you. I have this quilt, which is one of my favorites, that I was curious as to whether people would be possibly interested in making it. It's not easy. It's a lot of giant applique, and then the rest of it is actually done through the quilting of it. And so, like, there's the pebbling in the green, and then there's the creating the echo effect of the buffalo plaid in the remainder of it. But all of these pieces, the duck, the shield, the guns, the bears, they're all giant applique pieces, which I could do similar to the deer head silhouette quilt, which is available for sale on my website. Just go to quiltingcowboy.com and hit the shop tab. Same process in terms of creating giant appliques to apply to a larger background to create a quilt. A little bit different approach rather than just traditional piecing. But again, I was curious as to whether people might be interested in learning that approach and how I do that, how I create works like this. And so I was just kind of looking for feedback as to whether I should actually spend the time to create it into a pattern or not. So anyways, if you want to see another example of it, like I said, just go to my website and look at the deer head silhouette. That would be more of a beginner approach to this type of work. This one is far more advanced just because of the detailing of the bears and their claws and everything. It's not, again, super simple, but if people were interested in having this as a work, I would certainly be willing to put in the time to create the pattern, but I'm looking for feedback. So thank you again for tuning in to quiltingcowboy.com, and I look forward to your feedback.